Hey guys, it's Yvette, and here I am for day 2 of Vlogmas, and so far so good. Yay! Second day, and I'm still here. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and get these advent calendars open. I wait all day until I can come up and open them and open up something. Okay, so cotton cuts. Let's do that one first. The box is actually a little bit like more compact, even though there's like more in here than the other one. So it goes in the front, which means it's always first. So, okay. Here I have envelope number 2. And let's see what we got. We know it's a fat quarter. I've actually started, where did I start putting them? I have somewhere on the shelves where I started putting them, so I have like a whole collection. Oh my goodness. It says, throw kindness around like confetti. I try. Sometimes it's a little hard, but I do try. And here is our fat quarter for today. I think this is kind of cute. The funny thing is we're not really getting any selvage. I was looking to try to find out like what... oh wait, this one has some. Okay, so this one actually has a little bit of selvage. This is called Berkshire Garden by Lila Tueller, Tueller, for Riley Blake Designs. I have never heard of this fabric line before, and so very excited to have it. I think it's gonna go quite well with the first one. I don't know, I kind of like it like that better. Okay, so let's move on to number 2. And this is, again, the Stitch Supply Company. I want to make sure I'm sharing that every time. All right, so number 1, I put it back in there just so that I can keep them all together. I took the little squigglies out, but I put the little bag back in there just so I can have them, you know, all together for a bit. And now let's open number 2. I got 2 little pieces of squigglies. That's hilarious. And a mini charm pack. Oh my goodness. This mini charm pack is called Flurry. And it is a collaborative holiday collection by the Ruby Star Society. And look how cute. I think what I'm going to do is I will, because I'm not going to open up a mini charm and show everybody, and it'd be too hard with this. You wouldn't be able to see. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I attach a nice little photo collage so you can see exactly what the fabrics are in this collection. And so that's exciting. I mean, that's really cool. I like getting that. And the last thing that I was going to share with you guys. Hi, Jellybean. Jellybean is just, I didn't think he was going to come in. How you doing, my buddy? My little sweetheart. My little sweet pie. Look, I got a tail. Yeah. So what I wanted to share with you guys that I haven't, I didn't do like a opening just for this, but I am still in Tagged by Sweetwater, and Tagged is their, like quilt label club, and they tell you that you're going to get one, label. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have been at work all day. This is very true. But I can't even like come up with the word label. There's something wrong. So they guarantee that you're going to get one label every month. But this time we got 2. It really depends on the size of the label. Like sometimes you'll just get like one really big one. Sometimes you'll even get 3 on there depending on what their designs are. But this is the one that we have just received. And I'm not 100% sure if you could still get in on this. This particular one, but you know, it comes every month, and I want to say it's somewhere around $8 a month. I really don't remember. I don't remember. But every one is personalized with your name, and they'll put whatever name you want on there. You just have to tell them. I think there's like a little space where you can like put exactly what you want there. And so this is my tagged for this month, and I was very excited to get that. I wanted to share it with you, and probably tomorrow I'm going to share with you the Just Another Button Company button collection. I just received that a couple of days ago, and that'll be something extra that I can show you either tomorrow or the next day. It depends on like, I'm trying to like make up a little schedule so that I know what I'm going to put up for you guys. But those are my fat quarter and my mini charm pack that I got in my advent calendars, and my labels in tagged. So I'm going to continue having my coffee and edit the video. And there's probably going to be some other stuff that I'm going to throw in here too. And who knows, maybe we'll get to see Jellybean like every day. That'd be awesome. So I'll see you in the next one. Please make sure that you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.